Welcome to our journey through Kozhikode, also known as Calicut, a vibrant city nestled on the southwestern coast of India, where tradition meets modernity. Here, the Arabian Sea caresses the shores with its gentle waves, and the air is alive with the rich aromatic scent of spices, a testament to its rich history as a major trading port and cultural hub. Today we will explore the natural beauty and rich cultural heritage of this historic city, delving into its hidden gems and revealing the secrets that make it a true paradise for nature lovers and explorers alike. Our exploration begins on the sun-kissed shores of Kozhikode, where the azure waters of the Arabian Sea meet the golden sands. This picturesque setting is a perfect introduction to the natural beauty that defines this coastal city. Kozhikode Beach, a bustling hub of activity, stretches along the coastline, drawing both locals and tourists alike. The beach is a lively scene, filled with the laughter of children, the chatter of families, and the vibrant energy of various beach activities, offering a panorama of fishing boats bobbing gently on the waves and families enjoying the cool sea breeze. The sight of these boats with their colourful sails adds a charming touch to the already captivating landscape. Further south lies Kapad Beach, a place etched in history as the spot where Vasco da Gama first set foot on Indian soil in 1498. This beach is not just a scenic spot, but a significant landmark in the annals of history. Today, a tranquil monument stands as a reminder of this pivotal moment, while the beach itself remains a haven for peace seekers and history enthusiasts alike. Visitors can often be seen reflecting on the past while enjoying the serene environment. And then we have Sagalaya, a beach renowned for its unique blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences. This beach is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region, where art and nature coexist harmoniously. Here, the rhythmic crashing of waves provides a soothing soundtrack as you stroll along the shore, immersing yourself in the tranquil ambience. The gentle waves and the soft sand create a perfect setting for relaxation, taking in the vibrant hues of traditional fishing boats and the intricate craftsmanship of local artisans. The beach is a living gallery of local art, where each piece tells a story of the region's cultural legacy. These beaches, each with its own distinct character, offer a glimpse into the soul of Kozhikode, showcasing the diversity and richness of its coastal life, where the rhythms of nature intertwine with the pulse of daily life. The beaches of Kozhikode are not just destinations, they are experiences that capture the essence of this vibrant coastal city. Leaving the coast behind, we venture inland, where a network of serene backwaters and rivers weave their way through the lush landscape. These waterways are the lifeblood of the region, nurturing both the land and its people. The Kozhikode backwaters, a labyrinth of canals and lagoons, offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Here, nature and tradition blend seamlessly. Here, traditional houseboats glide effortlessly through the tranquil waters, their reflections mirrored in the stillness below. These houseboats, known as ketuvalams, are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. The Kalai River, a lifeline for the region, meanders through the heart of Kozhikode, its banks adorned with verdant coconut groves and quaint villages. These villages, with their simple yet vibrant lifestyle, add to the charm of the river. As we journey along its course, we encounter fishermen casting their nets in the golden light of dawn and children playing on the banks, their laughter echoing across the water. These moments capture the essence of life along the river. The Tali River, another tributary of this intricate water network, adds to the symphony of serenity, its gentle currents reflecting the slow pace of life in this tropical paradise. The river's calm flow is a reminder of the tranquility that pervades this region. These waterways, each with its own story to tell, offer a unique perspective on Kozhikode, revealing the harmonious coexistence of man and nature that defines this enchanting region. It is a place where every river, every canal, and every lagoon has a tale to share. From the tranquil backwaters, our journey takes us upwards towards the majestic Western Ghats, a mountain range that forms a breathtaking backdrop to Kozhikode. Here, amidst the misty peaks and emerald slopes, lie hidden gems like Wayanad and Sultan Bathery, hill stations that offer respite from the tropical heat. Wayanad, with its sprawling tea plantations, cascading waterfalls and ancient caves, is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Trek through dense forests, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and witness the raw beauty of nature unfold before your eyes. Sultan Bathery, named after Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore, who used the town as a base, is steeped in history and legend. Explore ancient temples, wander through spice plantations, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of this hilltop town. These hill stations, each with its own unique charm, offer a refreshing escape from the bustling city, inviting you to reconnect with nature and discover the tranquility of the highlands. Kozhikode's natural wonders extend beyond its beaches and hills, encompassing a rich tapestry of flora and fauna that thrive in its protected areas. Parambiculum Tiger Reserve, a short distance from the city, stands as a testament to India's conservation efforts. Here, amidst dense forests and shimmering lakes, tigers roam free, their presence a symbol of the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Elephants, leopards, and a myriad of bird species also call this reserve home, their calls echoing through the jungle, a symphony of the wild. Closer to Kozhikode lies the Kakayam Dam and Reservoir, a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. As the sun rises over the water, casting a golden glow on the surrounding forests, a kaleidoscope of bird life takes flight. Kingfishers with their vibrant plumage, hornbills with their distinctive calls, and migratory birds from distant lands create a spectacle of color and sound, a testament to the biodiversity of this region. For those seeking adventure and a closer connection with nature, Kozhikode offers a network of trekking and nature trails that wind their way through its diverse landscapes. Dusharagiri Waterfalls, a series of cascading waterfalls nestled amidst lush greenery, is a sight to behold. The roar of water crashing against the rocks, the cool mist that hangs in the air, and the surrounding forests teeming with life create a sensory experience that invigorates both body and soul. Valiyurkavu, a sacred grove dedicated to the Hindu deity Shiva, offers a different kind of trekking experience. Here, ancient trees stand tall, their branches reaching towards the heavens, creating a canopy that filters the sunlight, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. As you trek through this sacred ground, you can feel the weight of history and spirituality, a reminder of the deep connection between man and nature that has existed for centuries. Kozhikode's legacy as a major spice trade center is evident in the sprawling spice plantations that carpet the region, their aroma filling the air with a heady fragrance. Here, amidst a sea of green, you'll find cardamom plants with their delicate pods, cinnamon trees with their fragrant bark, and pepper vines laden with their pungent berries. As you wander through these plantations, the air thick with the scent of cloves, nutmeg, and ginger, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for the spices that have tantalized taste buds around the world for centuries. These plantations are not just a feast for the senses, but also a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of Kozhikode, where generations of farmers have cultivated these spices, their knowledge passed down through the ages. A visit to these plantations is an immersive experience, allowing you to witness the journey of these spices from plant to plate, understanding the labor and love that goes into producing these culinary treasures. Beyond its natural wonders, Kozhikode is a city steeped in history and culture, its streets echoing with tales of ancient mariners, spice traders, and cultural exchanges. The Kozhikode Calicut Heritage Museum, housed in a beautifully restored colonial building, offers a glimpse into the city's rich past. Here you'll find artifacts from the Zamarin dynasty, the Hindu rulers of Kozhikode, as well as exhibits showcasing the city's maritime history, spice trade, and cultural heritage. Mananchira Square, a bustling hub of activity, is another testament to Kozhikode's vibrant culture. This historic square, surrounded by colonial-era buildings, is a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. As you stroll through the square, taking in the sights and sounds, you'll witness the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity that defines Kozhikode. Kozhikode's proximity to the Western Ghats, a biodiversity hotspot, has endowed it with a rich tapestry of flora and fauna, making it a unique destination for those interested in nature and wildlife. This region is a paradise for nature lovers. The city's diverse ecosystems, from its coastal plains to its lush forests, offer a variety of habitats that support an incredible range of species. These ecosystems support a wide array of plant and animal life. Keep an eye out for the Malabar giant squirrel, a charismatic creature known for its agility and striking appearance. Its striking black and maroon fur is a common sight in the region's forests. Listen for the calls of the Malabar grey hornbill, a bird that adds a unique soundscape to the forest. The Malabar grey hornbill, with its distinctive casque, is a testament to the unique biodiversity of the Western Ghats. Another fascinating species is the Nilgiri tahr, an endangered mountain goat that can be spotted on the higher slopes of the Western Ghats. These majestic animals are a rare sight and a highlight for any wildlife enthusiast. Meanwhile, the Malabar pit viper, with its vibrant green scales, is a reminder of the hidden dangers that lurk in these forests. This snake is both beautiful and elusive, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. Whether you're an avid bird watcher, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Kozhikode offers ample opportunities to connect with nature and witness the wonders of the Western Ghats. The region's rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes make it a must-visit for anyone passionate about the environment. From the dense forests to the coastal plains, every corner of Kozhikode is teeming with life, offering a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. As our journey through Kozhikode draws to a close, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this hidden gem of Kerala. From its serene beaches and tranquil backwaters to its misty hill stations and vibrant cultural heritage, Kozhikode offers a sensory feast for every traveler. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature and culture, Kozhikode has something to offer everyone. So come, lose yourself in the beauty of Kozhikode and discover the magic that awaits you in this tropical paradise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.